Hello friends, this is Asam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to understand what happens when we understand English completely but cannot speak English completely. So in this video, we are going to discuss this problem. When I was learning to speak English, there was one issue that used to trouble me a lot. I could understand almost everything people said in English, every word, every sentence, but when it came to speaking, I would completely freeze no matter how much I understood. I just couldn't express myself. This created a very frustrating gap because on one side I had a strong understanding and on other side I struggled to say even simple things. If you feel the same problem, I want you to stop treating this as a lifelong problem and instead look at it differently. How? Imagine a scale from 0 to 10, where 0 means you cannot speak at all, and 10 means you are fully fluent. Most learners would place themselves somewhere around 3, 4, or 5, not at 0. Now, think about other languages like Russian, German, Italian, or French. Most of us don't understand them completely. So, we are truly at 0 there. But in English, you already have a strong advantage because you understand it completely. That means you are not starting from nothing. You already have a foundation. Also, remember that English is not your mother tongue. It's natural that you won't be as fluent as you are in your native language because that fluency comes natural. With English, you need efforts and practice. So instead of expecting instant fluency, you understand that how progress happens step by step. You move gradually from 3 to 4, then 5, then higher levels over the time. Now, if you understand English, the next step is to train yourself to speak because speaking is a separate skill that requires a fresh effort. One of the most effective ways to start proactive practice, for example, dedicate 15 minutes every day just for speaking English. Do this consistently for at least 30 days and you will start seeing improvement. Yes, you can see apps or talk to people to create a real life speaking environment where you get comfortable expressing yourself. But in practice, alone is not enough. You also need have some courage. Many learners hesitate because they are afraid of making mistakes or being judged. But the truth is that most people are not as focused on you as you think. To learn anything new, you must be willing to step out of your comfort zone. So, don't wait for the perfect situation someone where someone comes and speaks to you and create those situations yourself. If you are not comfortable speaking in a group, then start with one person. Have a simple conversation about everyday things. And when someone speaks to you in English, don't avoid them or search to escape mode. Respond back. Even if your sentences are not perfect, use whatever vocabulary you have and build from there. Over the time, you will realize that speaking English is not as difficult as it once felt. Like any new relationship or skill, the beginning is always challenging. But with consistency, efforts, and confidence, it becomes easier and more natural, even helping you grow both personally and professionally. At the last, I will kindly request all of you to subscribe my channel so that I can make more informative videos for you. I can make more interactive videos where you can practice your speaking and listening skills as well.